email. Okay, so let's do it from here. So if you wanna upload your local area network machine like IoT device or node.js app, react.js app, and you want to put it online in wider area network, WAN, internet, whatever you wanna call it. So simple way to do that is using these apps or these websites you can use, and one of them is ngrok, jedrock, or here somewhere you get ngrok. I can see, maybe you can see it somewhere. So here it is, the ngrok 1.0, because it is open source. So these all are strictly open source apps to do that particular thing, putting your local area network machine, node.js, react.js, or IoT device into your Wi-Fi network to wide area network using some kind of domain name address, DNS address. So do that is much easier using these apps. I am using this one. You have to download it, simply install it like anybody else do it. You are using a computer, you can do that. I don't have to show it, I think. And then all you have to do is just download it, and in front of you these are few commands you have to do, run it. So first of all, you download the app, and whatever your IoT device is, first put it online in your local area network, turn it on. Or if you are using a React.js app like me, just do your npm start. So your app will be start and start running in your local area network like IoT device running in your Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi IP. So here my React.js app start running in my browser window, and it is in localhost as you can see, and as my terminal shows that it is in my local area network. Let me show you just now. Okay, new tab, here we go with the link, and see it is running in my local area network. So now I have to put it online. If I want to put it online, you can see it is running on port 3000. So I'm just gonna do t mole, my port number 3000. If you are using port 80 at your usual IoT port address, or port 8080 that sometimes your Apache and PHP choose to do it on port 8080, in my PC it choose to do it. So there are some ports like 80, 8080, 3000 just reserved for your applications. On some port are just reserved for your email or FTP applications. So be careful with choosing your port, or just Google it before you try to do it something on your port. So press enter, that's it. Here give me two links. First is simple HTTP link that is not secure, and other is HTTPS link that is secure with SSH, SSL certificate. So if I open it now, you see that it is running on a tmole domain name address, and it gave a temporary address to me. Here it is in front of you. It is running on WAN network, wider area network, but it is running there until my terminal is on, or until I did not quit it. So it is running till then until my this application is running in my PC. If I cross it or turn it off, it will go just finish it. So it is for a short time period or few calls to make, or if you want to show your project to someone else in a other city or wider area network, as you can imagine. So this is it for tmole, or it's up to you. You use tmole or ngrok or something else, and these are other websites or apps similar to tmole you can use if you don't wanna use tmole, and these all are open source. I said again. So these are so many here you can see. So first of all, I will share the link in my description. So first email, second is telebit. These two most easier you can use till now. After ngrok gone in paid mode, leave the open source thing. These are you can use, feel free to use, nobody is stopping you. But if you, and these are almost similar, okay, it just top two, it's easy to configure, just download it and that's it. You download it and double click it, run it, and then go into your terminal, type your command like tmole 3000 in ngrok http, and your port number 3000 similar to ngrok is tmole, not much difference in commands, almost same. And here we go for other. So this is it in front of you, and if you want to clone tmole or ngrok and create your own similar thing, similar product, just like these similar websites like this one, and start something similar. I'm using that word way too much. So here it is, client library for tmole and server library for tmole. Download the server library in your server, that is in cloud or in other computer, or even this computer, whatever you are using. And client is client, you know that I am client for that server after downloading tmole. So after doing this, you got to do some amount of configuration, and then you are ready to go using your own service, and nobody is stopping you, no limits on anything, because it's your own. This is your own if you try it. So this is completed thing. If you wanna use, this is the link, I can show it later in description. You can see telebit is another service similar to tmole, and it is open source, means it is free. No matter how many times you wanna try use it, so until it is free, use it, that's it. And if you wanna download it, these are options to download. For Windows, just click, nothing else. And after it is download, just double click on the installed version application and run it. After running it, you just got to type this command, simple as it looks, just like I did with tmole, and show the port number. It just add a http in between, simple command, just 2-3 words, and then it will give you a IP address or a DNS, whatever you gonna call it, and it will work just similar, same thing. Just it will ask for email address and an OTP in your command prompt. So when you run it, it will automatically show in command prompt. I think I should run it. Video will be long, so in next video I will run the telebit. And other thing, ngrok, you know, used it before. Everybody know about it. ngrok, so many videos about it on YouTube. So even it looks like a paid website, because so much work have done in graphics and designing and marketing and stuff. So obviously they're gonna charge something. And if you are done with this website and pre done code, just install, configure and use, and want to create your own stuff, so here is something. Other people give some information about tunneling. So it is overall using SSH tunneling that you can learn in your own stuff, or you can learn it in mainly system administration kind of jobs. They use it most. So in system administration crash course in YouTube, you can learn about it. Or here some videos that I found mostly much easier way to explain is, first one is how to install OpenSSH client and server using PowerShell and Windows 10 IT Pro TV. This much is enough. Just you watch this video and they give enough information to make you do that particular thing you do with tunnelmole or telebit or ngrok. It's just you use two type of commands. First one is IP address of your local machine. Second is IP address of your cloud server that you wanna point to. So your traffic will come to your cloud server and that will redirect your traffic to your local machine. So that's what tmole does or ngrok does. So in this way you wanna do it just using your command prompt and no installation, nothing else, just simple SSH tunneling. That's it. And usually they do that to install different things in cloud servers from their office because they are obviously system administrators. They are doing their jobs and that's how they do it. So that's their tools. Okay, and we are not system administrators and we don't know much about it, so we use simpler methods using these websites. Other is OpenSSH for Absolute Beginners by Veronica Explain. She explained it really well and it gives me much more information about SSH tunneling that you can use. After watching this video, if you watch this video, you just get like little much better information, much better understanding, because if you direct go to the top chapter you won't understand a thing. So one by one, step by step, first one is this, second one is this, and then these are some kind of crash course that you can use to get much more information. So this is the lining. If you wanna use, if you wanna learn and try it yourself or build something kind of application, you can choose this. It is available in my library or folder or YouTube playlist, whatever you wanna call it. It is public for now. SSH, its name. You can search on my channel. You will find these, so you don't have to search externally. So this is it for now. You can see my application is running on this IP address. It's still running or not? It is running. So imagine if you are not using a node.js app or React.js app and you want your IoT device to be online just like this. It is online with a IP address or a domain name address. So how you gonna do it? Simply just go into your command prompt after turning on your what it is called IoT device ESP32 or 8266, and when it is online in your local area network, in your Wi-Fi network, just type this tmole and your port number in which it is running, like 3000 my React server is running. So it didn't matter how you do it, just simple 2 words command and done, you are ready to use it. And this is the new address. Every time you type this command you get a new address. So here is running my React app because it is running on 3000, so it shows my React app, and you see these two are different domain name address. So when this address is running, this address is vanished from the server. So if I reload it, it won't supposed to, it didn't supposed to show me, but it is showing. So tunnelmole give me two different IP address for same thing running on same network or same port. So this is much better. You can have multiple IP addresses to same thing you can distribute. So yeah, here it is doing its job. And if you wanna close it, just type control, press control C 2 or 3 times and it is stopped. So this one is supposed to stop. Let's see if it is stopped or not. Stop, brother, stop it. And here this one Control C. Yep, install. And here's my React.js app. It is gone. It is gone. These both are gone. Stop. Reloaded. Gone. And here are the things I wanna show you. So one more time and recap, just see it so you can remember. Okay, you do stop to stop, close everything. There is my React.js code. If you wanna see it, not much to see it in this, simple as that, few lines of code just for example. And I closed everything, I guess. Okay, I closed everything.